Okay, so it's going to take a little bit. I have to update my firmware. So let's go see. There's something else I needed. Crap. Now I can't remember what the hell it was I needed. Anyway, LEDs are flashing and lighting and doing all that they're supposed to be doing. I don't know if you can see that or not, because I'm doing this out in the full sunshine. But, it's kind of overcast, but that's all right. Firmware for the Fuel Pack 3, and as you can see, looks like everything's all done. Alrighty, so we're still updating firmware on the Vance&Hines. It's still doing its thing, I guess. This is gonna be fun, and yeah, I don't have the angled thing, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. Anyway, talk to you in a bit. Alrighty, it has been flashing like this and on this for going on 10 minutes now. So I don't know. I think I'll turn all this shit off and start again, because this is getting to be bullshit. Now that everything's back together up to this point, ignition is on, it's ready to start. Now, as you can see, it says not linked to any bike. We have not done anything that is irreversible yet. Let's search for a map. Yeah, you can't see it due to reflection. I understand. Let us exhaust manufacturer. We have standard, no, stock muffler, stock baffler. Now we have the high flow air filter, so we will do that. Exhaust, street cannon slip on, standard baffle, touring, stock 103, twin cool, stock, high flow. And there's the map number 15W1031448. Now we're going to actually program it with this, and this is irreversible. After this point, this fuel pack is married to this VIN. And be careful, be smart, right? Continue. Flashing bootloader. Okay. 3 of 3. Linking fuel pack to your bike. Okay, this is irreversible. We can't do anything after this. So, yeah, buddy. This is scary. It's the first time I've ever done anything like this to something that I own. And yeah, I own it. Well, the bank and I currently own it, but I have 7 more payments available. Sending stock to server. Okay, that was the original map that this motorcycle had. Okay. Checking for available slots. Transferring map. Alright, so it is programming the ECM or ECU. Flashing new map to bike. Alright, this is it. I own it. No turning back at this point. Please turn bike off for 30 seconds. Bike is off. And now we get to wait. Turn bike on, Bluetooth reconnect. Okay, here's the fuel pump, waiting for Bluetooth. And yeah, I know I'm a little shaky here. It's a big deal. This is the first time I've ever done anything and done. Alright, let us start her up. Lost connection. Mainly that was because I restarted the motorcycle. Let's hear how it sounds.